Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable crossplay in NBA 2K26 for Xbox or PlayStation. Now crossplay is super useful if you wanna play with or against players on other platforms like PlayStation or Xbox. You can also turn it off if you prefer to keep your matches limited to your console players only. The choice is completely up to you. Here's how it works. On PlayStation, you can find the crossplay option directly under features and settings in the game menu, but for Xbox it's a little different. The option won't appear inside the NBA 2K26 game settings. Instead, you'll need to turn it on through your Xbox system settings. So on your Xbox, go to settings, then select account and choose privacy and online safety. After that, go to Xbox privacy, then view details and customize and open communication and multiplayer. From there, you'll see the option to allow or block crossplay. Make sure it's allow if you wanna play with users from other platforms. And that's it. Once that's done, you're good to go. You'll now be able to match up with players across different consoles. Hope this helped you out, and if it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.